Today we're gonna learn how to make Cowboy Coffee. So we got 4 people I want, right? So
the OG Cowboy.
Where'd you guys go for breakfast, my Eddie?
Gets 2 tablespoons.
Christie's.
1,
Christie's, yeah.
Did you like
2.
it? It's so easy.
I like it. It's
3.
not like fantastic.
What did Mom say? Did you get the chance to see Mom?
Yeah.
Did she get her books?
Yeah, 6.
Yes.
I thought you meant it was like 1 book.
7,
One?
No, I thought it was.
Yeah, she got well, but she got
Eight.
that.
Yeah.
All right, and then this is it. Well, we're gonna get some. Let's see. Use this water. All right. So all you're doing is you're doing 2 of those for each cup of water. You don't fall backwards. And then I just pour whatever cup I'm going to use for my coffee.
Oh, okay.
Just do that.
Long before you were born. I was like 8th grade. And they were supposed to release all this crap, and then they did, and it's probably the same thing that they told us all along. They said that he was supposed to be killed by. We saw it right on TV, Thanksgiving.
You were watching it?
4, and then the bonus.
Transferring him, and we watched the whole thing.
It was on Thanksgiving?
5. And I usually put a little bit extra because they're not going to get all of the coffee out of there.
We were expecting him to be shot, and this movie came out from nowhere and shot him in the head.
So you stir it and bring it to a boil.
I think there was something.
When there's Russia was involved, something's got to be going. Something's
All right,
gotta
so
be.
we'll stir that,
I think it was the
and
mafia, too.
it takes 5 minutes usually to boil.
I think it was the mafia.
So what's going on, guys?
Oh, no, I know.
Not much.
I never even read that much at all about it.
Oh, it's very interesting. Very interesting.
And it declares
You guys see Angela?
That's it. So 5 minutes. That's it. Yeah, that's like.
We saw
So you put a cover on
him
it?
being killed on
You don't have to, but it just helps you boil faster. That's all.
Oh, okay, okay.
And then after 5, when it comes right to a boil, I'll turn it off and I'll just gently stir it. Sometimes I'll stir it, a little bit in between, but.
He has a picture. He's
So once it
Just to
comes to a
kinda-
boil, then I turn it off
Oh, it's so sad.
and let it go for.
Let you cry. I can't.
5 minutes.
I was
Yeah,
in
another
eighth
5
grade.
minutes. Yep.
Chris, I
Because it
asked
will-
Mike about the Cowboy Coffee and I
go
took notes
home,
about
and
it.
Mom and
So don't ever put this on here because it will go right down into the flame. All right. So see how it starts to change a little bit.
Okay.
So you just agitate it a bit from the bottom up. You don't really have to. I mean, it does blend the flavors probably better.
Yeah.
So it's getting close. When it gets to that color, it starts to turn a little bit lighter color. It's getting close to boiling. So it's ready. So now this could be the hardest part about this, right? Is pouring it into the cup. Now, if you have a pan that has a nice spout on it, it's not bad.
We put everything on here because this is the seam that's coming out. Okay, so don't pour any liquids on here. We don't put anything hot on there.
All right, that's great. All right, so we're gonna do it over here. And the key is, there's no spout on this. This is gonna be tough, but I'll just pour it fast.
you need a ladle, Mike?
Nope. There you go. Perfect.
Voila.
Yeah, we'll
Cowboy
get it.
Coffee.
We'll get it.